Hey Rebel Chums, welcome back to the channel. I have one thing that I noticed with the Saberforge Sabercore 3.0, and that is sort of a ticking sound. I'm not sure if you experienced that as well, but I've got two lightsabers in front of me with a Sabercore 3.0 soundboard. The Saberforge Unleashed has the light side sound font or Jedi sound font. The Saberforge Cyphos has the dark side sound font. So let's listen to the ticking sound that I mean. So let's take a look at the ticking sound that I mean. We're starting with the Saberforge Unleashed, which has the loudest ticking sound that I've noticed. This happens on any of the sound fonts that are loaded onto this saber. So let's start listening to the ticking sound that I experience. So as you can hear, the Saberforge Unleashed has ticks coming back and forth during the lightsaber being on. It's quite annoying at times. So now we're going to listen to the Saberforge Cyphos with the Sabercore 3.0 soundboard that has it in a dark side sound font.
Dark side relic.
So as you could hear from the video, albeit the Saberforge Cyphos it being a bit more quiet, but they both have this popping sound. I think this has to do something specific with the Sabercore 3.0 soundboard. If you experience the same, let us know in the comments. I received the Saberforge Unleashed just a few days ago and it having the same issue. It's a bit louder and pronounced than with the Saberforge Cyphos, which also has the popping sound. This saber is around 2 months old and both having this annoying popping sound. I couldn't fix it yet. I tried to reformat the firmware, or reinstall the firmware, update it, reconfigure the files on with the Sabercore 3.0 software, but I still have the popping sound. Anyway guys, let me know in the comments if you experience the popping sound on your Sabercore 3.0 soundboard as well. It's kind of interesting. It's a bit annoying, especially with the Saberforge Unleashed. It's more pronounced than with the Saberforge Cyphos with the Sabercore 3.0. Both lightsabers have the same soundboard. They have a different set of fonts. So this is the light side fonts, these are the dark side fonts, and they both have the popping sound. To me, it sounds like it's more has to do with the Sabercore 3.0 soundboards on itself. Maybe some sort of electrical issue with some current going to the speaker, causing it to pop. I don't know what it is. It's a bit annoying. So I want to see from you guys, do you experience the same? And what did you do? Did you send it back to Saberforge for a repair or refund? I would like to know from you guys if you experience the same thing or not. Thanks very much for watching and hopefully I see you in the next video. Bye bye.